In the previous lesson, we learned how to design a simple Instagram post, which is this. Now, let's see how to design a slider. Slider simply means how you swipe, just Instagram slider you see on Instagram. So let me show you how to do it. So all you need to do is to pinch this design. So if you want to create another page, that's in next slide, you can either click on duplicate or just click on this plus sign. Duplicate is going to duplicate this design, while plus sign is going to open a blank canvas and you can start afresh. So in this design, I'm going to duplicate it because I still need those things at the bottom. So before I duplicate it, I'm going to go to element and I'm going to search for arrow. So I'm going to search for arrow. Let me see which one I like. I like this one. So I'm just going to change the color to this and I'll just reduce the size a bit. Then I'll bring it here. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my grid lines, my margins, and then so what it simply means is okay, there's a next post, swipe. So I'm going to pinch it, go to duplicate, and I've duplicated that. So I'm going to delete this. So if I click on delete image, it's going to delete only the image, but it's not going to delete the frame, just like this. And if I click on delete frame, it's going to delete everything together. So here you have it. So I need this. I'm going to ungroup this. The designs I need from this particular, the text I need is this two texts. So I remember I have my content here. So the first one is lines. I'm just going to copy that to Canva. I'm going to paste this one here. So it's having this bullet point thingy, and I want to remove that. I'll just slide, go to format, and I'll uncheck it. As you can see, it's checked. I'll uncheck it. Then I'm going to align it to center so that way it can look nicer. So I'm going to put it here. Oh no, let me put it at the let me put it here. To use it for the numbering. Let's change it to 1 1. Okay. Then I'm going to put it here. Then I'll go to elements, go to frames. I'm going to look for a very simple frame to use. Okay, let me use this one. I'll use this one and I'm going to put it here. Right, then I'll go to elements and I'm going to search for picture of lines, and I'm going to go to photos and see pictures of lines to see if I'll find can't really find any picture of lines. Let me just use any picture to just that has a bit of lines in it. Okay, let me just use this one. I'll just place it there. So this is it. So this is our first slide. I'm going to pinch the design again, and while it's selected, I'm going to duplicate and click here, then come here. I'll say 2. This is the number 2 point. Go back to my design, copy what I need to copy, go back to Canva. You see why it's good for you to have your copies ready. So go to elements again. Let's just look for any random picture. You use this one, and there you have it. So on Instagram, when you post this, you can just slide, and you can have like up to 10 slides for Instagram. So that's pretty much how to create sliders on Instagram. I'll see you in the next lesson.